Milestone Mafia.
Back when I was young.
I'm in my feels about a couple of recent releases. Now, I'm not an OG over everything guy, but every now and again I see some releases on the calendars that I cannot miss. Now, this video is going to be a little different because these sneakers, they absolutely matter.
Bitches.
Great day, Milestone Mafia. Welcome back to Things and Stuff. I'm your host, Ja.
Marty, you've got to come back with me.
And as always, incredibly thankful for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. Now today, we're going to jump in the way back machine and take a look at, as you saw in the thumbnail and description, the Jordan 3 Black Cement and the Jordan 9 Olive. Alright, so what's up with these pairs? Now, both of these OG colorways have their place in the pantheon of sneakerheaddom. But today I want to talk about what they mean to me. We're not going to go too in depth into the review. We've all seen these sneakers before. And I don't care if they didn't sell out immediately. I don't care if they bricked. I only care about the magic of anticipation and the excitement that you get when you unbox a pair that you've really been waiting on. Contrary to the opinions of all the culture vultures out there, sneakers ain't dead.
It's still real to me, damn it!
The Black Cement 3. The Jordan 3 is iconic, and this Black Cement colorway is what a lot of sneaker enthusiasts would classify as their favorite sneaker of all time. I am not one of these people, but I get it. This is like the 7th time that this sneaker is retroed since its debut back in '88. And would you believe that this is actually my first pair of Black Cement 3s? Of the retros that I can remember, when they re-released these back in 2011, I was actually homeless and saving up for an apartment. And when they retroed again back in 2018, I was saving up for my first house. So here in 2024, these represent to me how far I've come. I'm sitting here in my second house, my forever home, in my own custom-built sneaker room. Even when I think about it, this is a room specifically built for just my sneakers. And every time I put these on, that's what I'm gonna be thinking about. That feeling of being blessed, that feeling of the sun rising, that feeling that, in dark times, there will be light. Look how far God has brought me. You feel me? Speaking of first pairs, yeah, these came out a couple of weeks back and they've been sitting in the box till I shot this video. Jordan 9 Olives. Now this is the second retro of these, and I'm not gonna lie, I was completely unaware when they retroed in 2012. I was busting my ass, trying to build something for myself. But when I heard that these were releasing this year, these were the top priority of 2024. These here are the first Jordans that my mom ever bought me, way back in 7th grade. I still remember feeling so amazing when I wore them.
King Kong ain't got shit on me!
My mom's actually here for Thanksgiving with my little sister and my nephew. I know there's no way that she actually remembers these, but I am curious to find out. Yeah, it's Thanksgiving, man. It's the time to be thankful and grateful, and yeah, that's what this pair means, at least to me. And listen, I know, to some, these are just something that you put on your feet. But for all those who don't understand why some sneakerheads get, all bent out of shape and borderline psychotic about gatekeeping sneakers and its culture, give them some grace. Because sometimes the stories that are associated with them can be extremely meaningful and very significant points in their lives. So there you have it. We have the Black Cement 3 and Jordan Olive 9s in the reservoir. Now those Black Cement 3s I'm running to the ground. The Jordan 9s, not so much. Those might as well be Air Mags to me, you know what I'm saying? So with that said, I want to wish the entire Milestone Mafia a very happy Thanksgiving. My hope is that you can reflect on how grateful, how thankful, whatever it may be, from the smallest to the largest, a win is a win, a milestone is a milestone. Be truly humble in those blessings and understand where they come from. And if that's the case for you, I want you to go ahead and become a friend of mine by liking the video, dropping a comment down below. Let me know something that you're thankful for. And of course, if you want to become a friend of ours, you can subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know every single time the Milestone Mafia is leaning on that algorithm. Next up, it's my birthday. So he's got a special trip around the sun edition of Got 'Em Tardy. Please be on the lookout for that one. Other than that, I want you to remain blessed, highly favored. I'll stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Be excellent to each other.